So as we're doing the driveway, we're filling in around the house, sloping it. You can see what we did here in front. Hopefully the rain will run off. So coming around the side, and we hit one of these window wells. So I dug around it about a shovel full around it, or shovel width, and then pulled it out, and then dug down a little deeper on the outside edge, so if any water gets in there, it runs out. Brushed and cleaned around the window the best I could, and then I actually oiled the metal frame with linseed oil, and I hope it's going to dry before it rains. And now I'm debating on, I think, I'm going to check with Amy, but I think we're going to end up painting these some nice color, which means they're going to have to be wire brushed off. And I'm going to do some stone around here and stone build up on the side. That's why I did it deeper. So we don't want any more dirt touching this window well, whatever you want to call it, cover, I don't know, skirting for the cellar window. And then we're going to come here, and you can see how this is how the old one was. The dirt was put right up to them. The problem is it's rusting them out, so it's not, unless we plan on replacing them, which I would like to keep them for a long time. So I'm going to try to keep the water away and the dirt away, sloping down. Now one of the problems is if the eaves trough give in or don't work right, then we get water down in here, so we have to get it away. And secondly, if I decide not to go with eave troughs, then the water will be coming down, so I'm going to have to direct it away from these spots with a piece of drip edge on the roof slanting away to direct the water to the sides, maybe like right in here and right over here in between them, and then have it sloping away on stone and stuff. So that's where we're at. I think we need a piece of molding on the top edge. It looked pretty open there, so I'm going to go look for that. There was a piece of molding on the bottom, but I don't see any advantage of having that there, because I'll caulk it from the inside if there's any air gaps. And this one was just laying in there anyways. So I'm going to look for one on top and then nail that up there.